I've cleared Delhi University's entrance exam for MA Psychology with rank 5th and MA Applied with rank 3rd. Good evening. My name is Radhika Singla. I've cleared Delhi University's entrance exam for MA Psychology with rank 5th and MA Applied with rank 3rd. Actually, I'm very grateful to Arvind Ota sir, Priyanka ma'am, and in fact, every staff member. I remember walking into the center for the very first time. Since I was not from this stream, I was a little nervous. I actually majored in physics, but they had these smiles on their faces. The environment was very supportive. And Arvind Ota sir, he made the classes very interactive. He used to ask a lot of questions. The study material was great. In fact, the study material, it consisted of 4 books which covered every topic in detail, and there was an e-learning portal as well where Priyanka ma'am used to upload previous year question papers. So I basically worked on my weaknesses and I just practiced. It was an e-learning portal where there were mock tests, and they also displayed our ranks, so that motivates you ki, yeah, you have your ranks, and ki others, they're also working very hard and you need to buckle up. And basically they covered almost every topic. There were previous year question papers, and I remember there were like 10 practice mock tests and self assessments of every topic, so a lot of material. Yeah. Actually, for me, the South Campus exam was actually a lot harder than North Campus, to be honest. Uh, Otherwise, but basically, there was not a lot of difference. And there was I remember that 1 or 2 questions, they were actually similar also in both the exams, but they were not very different from each other. Basically, questions were asked from a variety of topics. I actually like this subject a lot, and sir also has a major role to play in that. He used to give us a lot of real life examples since he's a clinical psychologist without disclosing any identities, of course. But so that kept my curiosity alive. And actually, I sticked to a schedule. I had everything planned out, what I was supposed to study every day. So when I was done with my part for the day, I would just close my books, feeling a sense of accomplishment. And then I would reward myself maybe like by binge watching a series or something. And it's like, if you work hard, you're able to do well in practice test and class test, and it also motivates you. You see others, when I used to go to my coaching class, we used to have the surprise test, and you see others and you're reminded of the competition that you have. So that motivates you, and since I really like the subject, so that helps. I look forward to working in counseling setting, and I'm very much interested in learning behavioral techniques. India is in such a dire need of so many more psychologists, and there is still so much stigma attached to mental health. I know of many people who are grappling with mental health issues, and I've seen how others react to that. So, I'm not really, right, I'm not making any commitments. I just want to go for that. So it's like I'm keeping my options open right now. Let's just see what future has in store for me. Yeah. I just want to tell you all that stay optimistic, stay positive. It's difficult, but it's not impossible. And if you find like if you start doubting yourself, if you think that the negative thoughts, they're trying to creep into your head, just push them. And I used to say this out loud to myself a lot. Radhika, you can do it. So it's not impossible. And please go through Sir's notes over and over again until you know them by heart. Clear your concepts. Just if you work hard, you will crack it. Yeah, definitely. I have cracked the entrance, so I would definitely recommend everybody. In my coaching class, I basically met students from all walks of life. Like they were from different streams coming together. So it's a great, like the atmosphere was very great. I actually looked forward to attending the lectures. So I would definitely recommend everybody to go. Like, it is the best place, and the vibes are amazing. You will want to study. So definitely go for it. Thank you so much.